Right here, I see it said on Friday. I think we'll have 1-2 days of red. Then on signal on the daily went long post buy spot. What happened? We got a nice short to the downside from here, and then we managed to buy a little bit to the upside, and I'm longing until around this candle right here. I'm gonna be taking profits on this high, the 2234 area. By the way, this video is not financial advice. I'm doing this price prediction in less than a minute, so I do not waste a second of your time, so hit the like button. Basically, we have VWAP coming up, RSI coming up, stochastic RSI coming up, and we have Bitcoin in general being oversold for a while, and a lot of coins are now showing potential strength to be bought, so we're in, and we'll be taking profit on the way up. It was a flash crash yesterday. It was beautiful. It was before the US time zone. We got it while we were recording. You can just watch the videos, the yesterday's videos, to find them out. There were just 5 yesterday, over 20 today. So yeah, if you appreciate it, hit the subscribe button. If you're wondering how I'm up over 270 grand from in coins, use the link in the description down below. See you next video.